We like the house, we like the area. So as long as it is renovated a little bit, there's no reason why we need to change a house and then pay a lot of stamp duty. So we enjoy the same place and same house and same neighborhood. We obviously got a couple of other quotations, but it is the communication and the confidence is the reason why we went with ST. Absolutely, they finished it quite earlier than what they've promised. Communication with ST is spot on, and then we know what to expect and know who is going to do what on any particular day. There were plenty of hiccups. So with the supply chain issues throughout Australia, so we had a lot of delays. So to overcome all these challenges, ST team has scheduled their work in a way that the work will not be stopped, and while we are waiting for these products to be supplied. We are very happy with the end product. Very happy to recommend. Already some of my friends are in touch with ST for their renovation needs.